So we are going to copy a file. You already know why you do this, copy a file. You can do this very simple. Go back to the command again. Go back there again. Go back there again, please. Yes, slide.
Okay, slide. Okay.
Slide, yes. So understand the copy command. CP source location means the first one is from where, and the destination from where to where, from place A to place B. So the CP, the first section is the location, okay, in location 1, and the second part is location B. I am copying. That's it. That's the command is. Okay. So this is the one. You don't need to memorize it. You all need to know copy source location space destination location. Let's do that. Okay.
Clear it because messing. Okay.
The clear means you are commanding the clearing. Okay.
So
Good.
right here it's 2 files. So we can copy this to another folder like in the like Dhaka or in the Roman under there. So for that we have to just copy CP. Then we have to specify the which file or the folder that we want to copy. For now, this type A.
Yep.
Type
So
A.
that's type A. That's exactly the source. Remember, we're in the location. That's the reason we just type A. That's called the source. Now we are typing the destination. For our case, destination is Dhaka, the home, Ubuntu, because in the Dhaka, then the Romna. Hit enter. That's it. Done. Means no issue, no error means successful. So now go to the another tab. Go to the another tab. Do not go. Tab and go to the Romna, and you will see the both file is there. Clear it up and see. ls, there you go, type A. It's exactly came. So in the Romna directory, there is a hospital folder and there is a type A file. That's how the copy something from one location to another location. Or you can do the copy in the same location as well. But again, why you do that? That's the question. So you always copy something, that's how it works. Okay, go back to the slide. See, do you have anything else?
Copy a folder.
Copy a folder now. So now let's go to we did the file, let's do the folder. So now we are going to bring the whole department diabetic that we are going to bring into the Robna. Even though it is not so in this case, you have to do the up.
So now after the command CP, so because it's a folder, so that's why we have to use the R, the hyphen R. R means recursive. It actually copy whole of the thing under this folder.
Yes, so it copies basically everything under this folder. So you have to use the parameter R dash R. Yeah.
Then we have to specify the path.
So now your source is done. Now you are doing the destination. Home, Ubuntu, Dhaka, Ramna, or wherever you want to. Basically, wherever you want to copy, you can do just
another
destination. Remember, that's the reason it is. Oh, we did the Asia. That's the reason you need to know the PWD, means the GPS location. And you just paste it, you're done, and just let's look at it. CD up.
We can just go from here, like this is the absolute path.
Yes, we'll go there.
Asia. My face file is in here. We can see the depth.
The one we copied from the another tab. Go back to the tab. That's the command we exactly did. We copied in the Asia folder. From the department diabetic folder, we copied on the Asia folder as well. That's how it works. Thank you. Okay, so